Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, and I want to welcome you to my first video for my YouTube channel. My name is Zavorka, and I have a little company that I started that is called Ray's Restoration Services, and it's something that I just started to keep busy, something to do. I'm retired, and I was beginning to go crazy, so I restore kind of unusual things, old tractors, motorcycles, car parts, lawnmowers, just about anything. My history goes way back. Mechanically, I've probably done just about any kind of repair that there is to be done. So anyway, I hope to really have some fun with this channel. I hope I can pass on some of my knowledge to you. If there's any kind of question about anything mechanical that you'd like answered, I'd be more than happy to try and help you with it. Just put it in the comment section and I promise I'll get back to you. One other thing I might say is veteran is definitely spoken here. I'm a disabled Korean veteran, and it's one of my favorite things is being a veteran and participating in the Veterans of Foreign Wars. All right, I'm going to be having a number of videos coming up, and I want to give you an idea of some of the things that I'm going to be doing and I'm going to be showing you. First of all, I have a complete restoration of a Suzuki Burgman AN650 scooter. The restoration and repower of a John Deere 318, approximately a 32-year-old tractor. The restoration of a 30-year-old lawnmower. And I might add, these restorations, when you look at them, you literally cannot tell them from new. People ask me if they're new. Another thing that I think is going to be fun is I'm in the process of building an X-plane flight simulator where I'll be able to simulate anything from a little Cessna 150 all the way up to 747s and fighter jets and everything else in it. That project's underway, but I'm going to document it all so you can be a part of it. Another thing I'm going to be doing is I have a new 2020 GMC Denali 3/4 ton. It's got a Duramax diesel in it, and it's got that 6-way power tailgate thing. I'm going to be adding kicker sound to the tailgate on that, which is I think a 100-watt thing. It's going to be pretty neat. I've got all the parts for it, actually sitting just to the right of this camera. I'll be doing some spout-offs about current events. I tend to be pretty politically oriented. Same goes with veterans issues. I'll probably also talk a little bit about my investing. I invest using Robinhood, and I have a son that just started an investing consulting service called Ethos Investing, ETHOS. You can look that up, or I'll post it in the comments. And much, much more. So anyway, this is short, I know, and just kind of quick, and I'm a little nervous about this camera and everything. But anyway, please like this and subscribe. Ring the bell so you'll know when I post new videos. And pass this on to your friends. Try and, if you would, please get me some help and get me some subscribers. So anyway, see you soon, and I hope you enjoy the